that's a knowledge how to buzz. And if that label try to stop me, they gon' do some crazy music things waiting on your life. What I think? You don't want no problem with no problem with me. I said, you don't want no problem with no problem with me.
Yes, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you're watching from, please like, subscribe, and share, right? Hit the subscribe button right here. Remember to check out this book on Amazon.com. Hip Hop and Ebook Culture by yours faithfully, Matt and Ifeanyi Is alright. We're having a press conference today at Leofin Residency Hotel, so join us. Let's have fun. All the good to have that day. So, what the hell is
How do you, even on your worst days, girl, you still kinda cute. If it go down, I'm gon' protect you when I stick out shoot. All I want is your love, I can't see no after you. On promotions, we did things that we didn't have to do. Instead of you leaving out your lies when you watch for the truth. I second guess you the one that's when I didn't have a clue. Envy Martin and Gina, but we ain't think about behind the scenes. The way I kill it, lose our voice when she trying to scream. We from the trenches, we moved on to the finer things. Now you don't went from H&M to a designer thing. He was playing games, got you dancing in the middle of the club, got you dancing in the middle of the club. I know what you chasing, you can only get this feeling from a thug. You can only get this feeling from a thug. Tears falling in this lick in your cup, all you really want is love. Baby, all you really want is love. Only talk to bosses. Scrub, but I know you can't be for the scrub. I get this feeling in my stomach when you next to me. Man, I'm trying to get to know you. Take you on shopping with your therapy. Move you out to Cali in my mind, taking care of me. I know sometimes I'm crazy. I was hoping you could bear me. Beauty and the beast, pretty girl with a gangster. I swear you still the baddest in the room with no makeup. You the type of woman every hood place for. I gotta stay 100, never change. In that sundress, nobody so amazing. Love the way you smell, I'm addicted to your fragrance. It's something about you, but I really can't explain it. Just know that you mine, not telling he can save it. He was playing games, got you dancing in the middle of the club, got you dancing in the middle of the club. I know what you chasing, you can only get this feeling from a thug. You can only get this feeling from a thug. Tears falling in this lick in your cup, all you really want is love. Baby, all you really want is love. Only talk to bosses independent, all you really want is love. Baby, all you really want is love.
Ladies and gentlemen, tighten your seatbelt as we take you on this smooth ride.
Let's go!
It's the morning drive on 103.5 Ebola DFM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride.
To 9:30 a.m.
Getting your morning inspired, be informed, let's interact only on the morning drive.
Make it a date with Matt and Ifeanyi, aka Meta.
And Christy, aka Emedari, aka Classy.
From Monday to Friday, from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
On the morning drive.
103.5 Ebola DFM.
Who'd ever thought that I would see this day, where I would see my ghetto life fade away, 'cause I was lost and couldn't find a way, and now I look forward to every day. Welcome to a sunny day. Life don't stop, always stay hot, no matter how the seasons stop. I still remember when they took me away. Living on luck, then I got up, realized I had to stop, and I took the time to explore every way. Say high and low, so close, yet so far to go. I just know there's a sunny day. Who'd ever thought that I would see this day, when I would see my ghetto life fade away, 'cause I was lost and couldn't find a way, and now I look forward to every day. Welcome to every day, better day. Welcome to my sunny day.
I was born in the ghetto, raised in the ghetto. Saw my first 9mm in the ghetto. I got my first kiss in the ghetto. Playing I go see with the girls in the ghetto. I wrote my first hit in the ghetto. Hey Mona Lisa, can I get a date on Friday? It's hard for me to let go. Life in the ghetto, the night they blast my cousin. Whoa, I had to find a way out the ghetto. Picked up the guitar, started singing in the ghetto. Haters used to hate in the ghetto. Said I would've never made it out of the ghetto. I guess that's why my cousins call me yo. Even though Annie said it's not about tomorrow. But the ghetto stayed down. I never thought I'd ever see the big boy shout.
That I would see his face, where I would see my ghetto life fade away. Cause I was lost and couldn't find a way. And now I look forward to every day. Welcome to my sunny day. Oh, sunny day. Oh, every day. Better day. Welcome to my sunny day. Oh, sunny day. Every day. Better day. Welcome to my sunny day. Been a long day. On my way to my holy place to pray. Give thanks for every blessing given to me. I know there's more to see, more to me. No more living in misery. This now our vision left to be. Say high and low, so cold. Yes, so far to go. Now I look forward to every day. Oh, yes, it's a beautiful day. The 16th day of April 2024. The Lord made it. We will be glad and we will rejoice in it. You have to go. Yes, we must appreciate every day as a gift. You have to go ahead because every day is very important for someone out there. Today is the birthday of the artist you're listening to right now, Akon, saying that today is the sunny day. And it is for you if you believe it too. This particular edition of the Splash, Nebona, the 103 of Papa Munkoto Agodo. Yes, we have a lot of things to talk about. Manomo wakana metal. Yes, Kibido. I we go no toto. I saw to say them. You take the matter cause I go no toto. So stick around. Yes, it's a beautiful day. Today means a lot of things to a lot of people. Today will be birthday Akon. As long as somebody like Chance the Rapper too, a lot of people get celebrated today. But today is also the day we are having, a press conference in Leofin Residency Hotel upon the 103.5 FM. You have to go ahead. Now Leofin Residency Hotel called today by 1. And the pressmen are gathered here for, the book launch, hip hop and Igbo culture by us faithfully. So it's a day, Gabo, welcoming for anybody, both an artist, to come around to also, become part of what is going on today. Able a musician, able anything or any talent at all, come to Ebona at the 103.5 FM today by 1. Yeah, you feel Residency Hotel. Oh, FIFA kind of Akoko Otiboju.
We have a lot of things to talk about. Yatago nanki bazo when we South Africa you know advice about go only a lot of things. Or say that you should not make yourself, you know, available. You should make yourself unavailable even when you are available. And I joke, you know, or are you talking about the videos or am not unavailable? Or say no idea can Nige when onye assistant again. I say because mother need a job as assistant because I have assistant EBN. Or say he get me when he got chota yotago uncle. Na enwezi fọ na alụ retire go no yotago monkey si na prison where mapụta we gwikwa n'ogo na onwelo nke ọ na-alụ or anti gbogotego no no somewhere yotago make sure no na aza call gị enwe client kpọ na isi anti za phone na ọza the phone sefa mo Emeka resident not even Emeka Renyo ọgbọ na Emeka ba afọ onye ahụ na very good day. Yes, I'll say Emeka group of company. Who am I on to? No office Emeka ka na pocket am na anti na-ekwu. So always like is when only the clients see akọwazi ife niile at the end of the day. If una imego onwe gị need the, you know, unavailable even when you are available. Or ihe ọ na-akọwa on a very good day. Ofu onye Nigeria we kunye dey say my brother this thing will not work in our side. That's your auntie ahenye that phone. Onwe ike ibi do tax about client. Say nwanne man chozela efe ka ife na-emese. Akụkọ otiboju. We have a lot of things to talk about this morning. And we are going to venture into all of it. Iman Kone said, you know, we'll sort the imperialism before hot Iberiberism because I go to no total. Manai we can get celebrated that. So let's get to it right about now. Yes, you will remember that this party right here is your party. Get involved. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. You can join us on Facebook as we are live at Ebon 103.5 FM. Drop your comments on the comment section of the live video right there. Yes, the first person I get celebrate to go to Nototo Awebolo Charlie Chaplin, you know, a British comic actor and filmmaker, you know, born April 16th, 1889. Even his videos can be relevant today. He banned on social media. I have a lot of, you know, Charlie Chaplin's, you know, comedy. Ofudi me fabonko jeliti okpo ebe ana akpo ngwa ka ebido okpo onye na anya ya etu okpo rush ya ka obete okpo nya nwe jeplo na azu referee onye abia side anya referee na achozo to esi bopụta n'etiti pa nya nwe etigodo onye okpo onye agba aleba ko azu referee a lot of things, you know, a good comedian. So we celebrate him this morning because I go to no total born April 16th, 1889. I say again happy birthday. Yes, it's unfolding right about it. I want to when the guy get celebrated, but get involved. Let's celebrate you too. Can you find them around you? Birthday, anniversary. Can you follow chieftaincy title? We are here to celebrate with you. Yes, today is also the birthday of Chance the Rapper, American rapper and philanthropist from Illinois, Chicago. Yotago, born April 16th, 1993 in Chicago. So we celebrate him this morning because I go do happy birthday. Yes, you don't want a trouble when you with me. You don't want a problem if the problem is with me. So we celebrate him this morning. Yotago. Yes, the next person I get celebrating on total Bolo Nate Diaz, Yotago American mixed martial artist on a very good day. This man shocked the world, like he shook the world on a very good day. Yeah, he shook them so much with the fight on with, you know, the best at the time, the person Anna McGregor. A lot of people say McGregor went here and he so much. McGregor na call no mbabas in a ring. We cook near York McGregor drama. Cook on a very good day. And I say you have choked the world. I say I'm not surprised. I'm not if I get on a very good day. No one want the surprise. Anyway, so we are celebrating the DS this morning. He was born April 16th, 1985 in Stockton. So we say again, happy birthday. Yes, it's unfolding. We have a lot of people to celebrate. Get involved. Let's celebrate you too this morning. Also, today is the birthday of Pope Benedict, the 265th Pope of the Catholic Church, born April 16th, 1927. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, we need to celebrate you right now. Today with the birthday of Akon, American Senegalese singer, songwriter, record producer, entrepreneur, philanthropist, and actor from New Jersey. Born April 16, 1973. Agago hits Halone. Every song he ever made is a hit. Back-to-back hits. Just to do anything if I give. So we celebrate him this morning. Go see Adigo de Yotago. Happy birthday. Yes. Adigo go see Adigo. Get involved. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080-9666-1035. Onye ọzọ nchọrọ celebrating n'ụtụtụ a the very personal to me. You have to go ahead. This man with so much influence in my life. With so much influence in the life of so many people that the song when we walk it about Martin and Gina, all influence only go with different artists, but this particular individual influence with the show and about Martin Lawrence show. Back in the 90s, early 90s, then you have a Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, you have, Martin Lawrence show. That show influenced my life so much. Martin. And I just Martin, the shows at that time. So in the show, you see that Martin was working in a radio station in that particular show. The kind of influence this man had on me. So I'm talking about Martin Lawrence, American actor, director, and comedian. Born April 16, 1965, now Frankfurt. So we say again, happy birthday. Yes, Odigo Kosa did right about it. Yes, if you have seen the show, Anna about 2.5 Men, yeah, for the other actor, comedian, I know the very good name or former on his own, capacity. Apart from the other comedian not on the show, at the time he goes by the name John Cryer. He is an actor, writer, film director, film producer. Born April 16, 1965, in New York City. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, I've got fan of my jacket for celebrating Deacon celebrated today because Nandike Busa. You have to go and as a man amount to of Ndike Mount of Anoto. I can now go there. Yes, Kana Batagodo na Jakarta for Kai celebrating Deacon celebrated today. Anakawana New York City. Yotago Budi City Bu Ebe the last celebrant on Yankiba I celebrated Kitasi. Yotago Nana Kawana Pana plan okay and wear bet control for rats. Yotago bet control. Amam Kasi try Simaya before on a very good day. I jogo Baisia Okendi Kebumoke and all of that. Kahale Muzamo. Because as I'm talking to you, when they say bet control, it does not mean and actually your okay to kill all of them. Because the Hamanage with the existence of okay, but to control the amount of Onehara. So a lot of people in the will say, okay, birth control. Now even female okay kasi yotago when time work on their career. Go to yotago case may be fair. Amazukamo it's unfolding ketafo and I batago na jaka celebrating Deacon celebrated today. Today is the birthday of a Nigerian superstar when it comes to football. This man Nigerian magic on one day in a football match. Yeah, see from corner, ball, do you want a net? And I'm talking about Taye Taiwo, born April 16th, 1985. And see again a happy birthday. Yes, it's unfolding Ketafo. You have to go on also actually celebrate but he's an actor on a very good day. Now, on very good, you didn't matter. On na chogoku, he debut somewhere. On the day, I just saw you go ahead. On and we are talking about Alex Usufo. You have to go born April 16, 1953, a Nigerian actor. You have to go in Nollywood. But today we celebrate him. Even when you are on a very good day, on a good time, if you're not film or so we celebrate him this morning. Happy birthday! Yes, it's unfolding. Get involved. Let's celebrate you too. Yes, today is also the birthday of Stella Mbacho, a Nigerian footballer born April 16, 1978. I say again, happy birthday. Yes, Odogoko is the Nuku Mado. I actually celebrate the Keta. Yotago Nukute Mado. I get celebrated and I got Bakani school today. Yotago, if I celebrate 80 good years, about 80 days, 80 years. She was born 16th April, Tuesday. Kaine celebrate Ketafo. We'll call her right about Ketafo. Kaine Kalia. Yotago Ko Sadigo no Totoa. Hello. Yes. Good morning. Kake me, mama. Huh? Okay. Mama. I know na need to celebrate a birthday today. So I see never on idea from when I walk it up. So you know, kita. You have to go. Oh, okay. At least the mother can just take different free. I will never. Mama. The thing is, I know that today be your birthday. 80 years, about 80 days. On Nuku celebration, Kobo. Get that belly when you see tata, mama. Hello, mama. Hello. Get that belly when you see tata. Can you get that belly, mama? Belly when you see guitar in celebrate your birthday, 80 years, mama. Yes, kai beze bele ni sigi kere bele nwe ni sigi mama kai solo gi kwa mem. Yes. Hey, ma'am, mama biko. Yes. Hey, ma'am, mama, I told them can join on my secret JB will 80 years. Well, Nda Tapano Mongo. Mama, in a new mama, hello. Asị m ka inye anyị nwa bụ young people secret eji anọ wee ruo 80 years onwe ife a ga na-emekasị wee ruo ya bụ 80 nye na anyị secret. Nke ebe ọ ga-adị mama ka ebe ọ ga ya bụ mbeme ga-adị. Okay. Ngwa ichezi okay nsogbu arụọ mama. Daalụ, thank you so much. Anyị anọnyelụ gị ma anyị anọnyelụ gị ya nwefe mele. Ihe akata nwa onye si anyị kpọọ gị. Mama, anyway, ihe akata nwa onye si anyị kpọọ gị ka anyị kene gị. Okay, ngwa na mama. Nsogbu arụọ. Chaka Zulu si ka akpọọ gị. Nsogbu arụọ. Daalụ, thank you so much. We are celebrating with you 80 years. Isi otu a tapụlụ ya bụ 80 years kịta join na ya bụ celebration. Onye mere anyị ji wekpọ ya ka anyị na-akali ya kịta afọ. Abịa dịka enwe ụmụ ife bridge communication, but somehow we had that communication and we pray that the good Lord will bless her. Yotago gbagam na account ụmụ ya ka we celebrate mama ọfụma on a very good day. It is happening right about kịta afọ. Akụkọ otikpoju. Yes, and we need for us to talk about cultism and what it is doing to our society. And when some people back in the days, they were fraternity within Nigeria, and as in his boutique, no get help for academics and all of that. But look at it today. It is not our culture. Our people are the medium man. But today, you know, it is there. A lot of people who open their mouth and say, but today, you know, it is there. A lot of people who open their mouth and say things like, say no to cultism. Yes, long ago. And that is the reason why that menace cannot be addressed. Because we must address it as a society. And as we proceed to give you what you need, satisfaction, guaranteed. It's time. Let's get ready to rumble. Akoko otikpoju. Young people now address and ask where you know stay away from the issue of cultism. Below a professional Jew man. Only a professional Jew man. That is name even the Jews like observing the Sabbath day. Professional. Now call everybody for. When you say you have bagan, you have to check it. See, I'm go a professional Jew man. No one anything and because now in this life, you know, in the spirit realm, obolo na iji lo mmadụ ọfọ onwele fo emenwu gị. Ọsọkwa ya bụrụ ya baga, ọsọkwa ya bụrụ ya pusu, ọsọkwa ya bụrụ nke sọrọ ya bụrụ once na iji li ọfọ onwele ifo ọ ga-eme. That's the thing. So we must stay away from this thing. So you want to call on a very good day. Despite of the killings of young people, Nigeria yeju PKH today at Roma. That's why we must address all of these things. But aside from that, a lot is happening in our social space, and we must talk about it right about it. Akoko otikpoju. Yes, akụkọ nke izi anyị ji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ Reno Omokri ịghọtago pụtara ikwu okwu some of the things na-emekwazi nke ikpeazụ na social space anyị wee bụrụ na nke ikpeazụ a yesterday o nwere testimony anyị kwuru maka ya ịghọtago fakọwasịla ife dị n'ime testimony a ife ya bụ nwaanyị kwuru on a very good day but we talked about it just the way anyị si wee mara ife na-ada aka ọsọ ịghọtago mmadụ inye testimony ụka ada like nke ya eme pastọ asị mmadụ bịa ka ị naba ozugbo enyezina n'ihe ikwu bụkwa na ezigbote asị. But sometimes it seems as if some pastors are pushed on a very good day. On testimony or somehow envy on a very good day. A lot of things in Mania man no bona Reno Omokri Mopota were saying a hail dunamis pastor for Epota Yotako a hair no up to his own mistake as a man based on Efe Melono between Yana Vera and him bụ onye ụka ya bịala inye testimony n'ụlọ ụka wee na-akọwa otu o si wee graduate from the National Open University of Nigeria after 10 years, you know. So that and the woman may say accuse Pastor Enensha of of lying and all of that, but Pastor Enensha were apologize to the woman. At the end, the woman dunamis. But now, Reno Omokri, being man enough to own up to his mistakes and seek a reconciliation with his congregant, and who he had unintentionally embarrassed in a presumptuous moment of weakness, which can happen to anyone. Reno Omokri said the pastor's choice of words in his apology to him also demonstrated a Christ-like character, stressing that it was a very redemptive, teachable moment.
Yes, I because now after and we say investigation on the woman, we are chopped and is open law school that opening university. Just that now maybe now Ujonatia equal Nero Mado to which is also a degree another one because now okay pastor and yet the apology one here may you will say now the testimony because now honestly, young way BSc while Ogoria in case on your go law, no LLB or question. So, I say I have to go about whenever it has a workshop that today is open up, all got this school. I say, I apologize, even with Munia. Had time where we are together and where made up peace.
Yes.
So I said that they let it down 2 years now. Put together behind and move forward. They are a member of the church because notice were resolved there.
Yes.
So I'll be here did Yabo Obele what I have it doesn't clear also against where do you the pastor set an example. He accepts yes, they are doing wrong because they are short like that.
Anyway, I think the lesson we must learn from this thing now, but our testimony is testimony. I think we should stop interfering in people's testimony. Also, we have on a because not only gossip mangozeka. With testimony here. Selapia ya bia befe otua. All the lenyana chupiku. Why you more believe? Keta. You have all the lessons I get learned from this. Pastor, I how to say anybody. Also, we have also no message. Message for both on email the gari and all. Selapia ka. Yan testimony. I know my hand and figure.
Why you like that? So hijack
the testimony time because for hijack the testimony. No, just the only thing but time yeah, sister cut it short, cut it. All kind of one praise the Lord. If that's only I pray, praise the Lord. Hallelujah and sister Nabazena Subadu. Akoko otipoji. Yes, I could call a Nigerian man, an Igbo man for that matter, and he goes by the name Chidozie, Unye Baliawe, now Nobudo Ibebefano, and a US bodybuilder, beautiful Sarofa, I would be do everywhere on Omaria, not eating my so it happened and I no name argument in the US. You have to go argument happen where the very all the two heated up at the time. And on March 21st this year, he had on them room where buy because now Union Abana room. No one now was on this Union and that room about Union Abba. Union Sena Ebu on out your Chena gate or where Tom or whatever by the man down one. The family of the man charged $70,000 for a US because now has his dream come on a US now bomb no food but in Nigeria on a very good day. One of my friends lose his brother na Illinois Chicago he Bucci Italiazo because he ege Bunati Akale. He man larger from Illinois from Chicago Indiana Illinois Bunatan Obuda Ukwasa Adana on a very good day. Odigo coincide, money in the mother who get out for Bunkawani, Bopasima, dear way. Abana Nigeria by him and I by rampant. Why am I hearing you about even allow here, Balu dear Debena on a very good day. Never see Quack, Keta, I can't go Pania Bill, I can never see a bit. Care where Maluzia, naga ihe ga-emezi mana kịta ọ na-afịa good for her life because na-enwe ike sentence ya mana ọ na-eklem na ihe a na ya mere ya na nke na mmadụ na-eme argument otibeghị ike nwa bifo bụ na o mere gị ịgbalịa debe na ana n'okwu ka aka na-ekwu nwanne m nwaanyị kedu ihe nwe ekwu na nke aka iwe na nkapa ndị stil
ekwu nke a nwekwara otu osi wee dị ọdụ so sad na ọdịrị akụkọ a na-apụta ebe onye Naijiria na di na nwunye fọdụ mmata anọkwana ma ọ bụrụ sọsọ na nwaanyị gburu tie na ọlụrụ ụmụaka kwa ka ọ nọ wee bukwa die wee were gbagbuo die because na ha na-enwe argument and ihe dịkwa nna ya bụ na eziokwu na esemokwu na argument na disagreement na-aga adị n'ebe di na nwunye nọ mana oge niile anyị na-ekwu ịkọntrol ya ekwesịna ka emotion gị take over iwe and being that na onye nwere akụọ nọ anya control kene emotion anyị da ma ọ bụrụgodị na iwe na-ewe gị ma ifile dat na onwe ihe a na-eme and most times anyị na-ekwu ọ bụ na ọ dị na ofu onye si na the house wee pụwa apụwa gagodo ebe ha ga-ege ọ ga-eje kulugodi onwe ya down ka that moment iwu ahụ na ihe ndị ọzọ niile ahụ ka ọ dagodida mana ihe bụ na-ese okwu because o nwere ike most times ị na-anya ihe na-ese okwu ọbụla obere ife
onweghị ọzọ na-ese okwu na-abụla ego kpọkọm ego onweghị eziokwu onwekwu ihe ọzọ na-ese okwu na like abịa n'ihe niile a na di na nwunye na-ese okwu ọ ewetakwala ego nri nke sọfụfanwa na onwe na US ahụ bụ ma ihe kwesịrị na-ewetakala ụma like ọ bụrụ na ndị break go off bụ divorces on a very good day ọ bụrụ child support ego a na-akwụ for child support nwaanyị ebidozie demand ego for child support nọ yọtago some people na-emegide ife increase ya $30,000 nke nwa na child support a ga-akwụ na-asị na ụmụaka ọ gold ka ha na-eyi n'ụkwụ a lot of things to talk about na-agwagoro
ha ka bi n'ụlọ
otu a ka o si adị ohi itizie ọ bụrụ nne otu a efuzie breki ọf onye ọbụla ejebe which na ọ bụ na ha mere ya n'oge ọka mma na dana ịgbalụ nwoke mmadụ debe n'ala
ego ekwesịrị ọkwa na ịdị na-eselo di na nwunye okwu like that because na ekwesịrị na ọ bụrụ na ha dị bụ ha na-agwa onwe ha eziokwu o kwesịrị onye weta nke ya nwaanyị weta onye nwere ike iweta then ha na-abụ ejikọ aka ọnụ wee plan otu a ga-esi wee jee wee na-asọlvụ problem dị na family instead of ịdị na-eselo fa okwu na-agba na-eji
abụ na ha ga-agwa onwe eziokwu ya ngwa mezie ya ka anyị fụnụ ọ bụla anọdata enwe ịbata n'ụtụtụ a ịgwa ife ilo na ya bụ ife ka o si ahụ mfụ kịta afọ akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji wee bata wee bụrụ na ọ nwere steeti secretariat yọtago ndị a declare na ha bụ Yoruba nation n'isi onwefa wee muvuo wee jee besiege Oyo steeti gọọmenti secretariat fa nya kwechiri na ha ga-ewere ife niile dị ebe a n'ọfa nwezi on a very good day no their own new country. Now enwelu one of them in the course of ime investigation nke nwaanyị nọ n'ime fa confess na ndị sponsor fa promise ya na ha ga-akpọpịa na poverty ha ga-eme ka isi chọọ na agụ ama ngụ again na ndụ ya ma o soro mee fa and kịta o megi aka akpalụ gị nwanne m nwaanyị ka ihe nwekwu na nke aka iwe na-agakwa n'iru still.
Well, ife dịkwa nna ya bụ na most times ụfọdụ feel that na ọ bụrụ otu otu ihe si wee kwesị isi wee dị na side nke ha ka o si wee dị why not ka ha make one their own case but anyị ma na enwere usoro otu esi eme ife especially na Nigeria na anyị nwere nke ọ wapụ ime asị gị no na nke ya kwesịrị isi ụtọ a wee dị nwekwanụ nke ọ ga-abụ eme asị gị yes na nke a so na right onye nwanụ na a ga-enyere ya aka ka afọ that na o nwetara ihe ọ na-achọ so in this case now onye ọbụla kwesịrị ị na-achọ ime ị na-eme nke ị na-achọ ime because na ọ bụ na imekwa nke na-adịrọ mma ịbanyekwa na okwu because na ị kwesịrị ka ị na-edemand for your own ị kwesịrị ịma na ndị ọzọ nwekwa their own right na otu ekwesịrị na-aga about it na enwere order a ga-esi wee na-aga nwere usoro a ga-esi wee na-aga.
Anyway, the thing is now anything that have to do with secession in any country, US, anywhere, even where democracy is thriving the most, is treasonable. You take you over a government just like that, or no proper. I got citizens, patriotic citizens. Kenya, if we go on a very good day, not because of Meloji wee mee ife mana ọ dịgo ka esede ịbata n'ụtụtụ anyị gwa ife ilo na ya bụ akụkọ ka o si aga right about now classic akọzila anyị one or two ka anyị wee na-aga n'iru classic
Okay, so Africa whatever we below a young lady here na Ghana. So we below a young lady na mbo we decide yake open her own shop. A beauty shop. So ever Ghana actually all those things. So we below but say me pay that shop you me pay not in a big way. Or we below no invite however, we lose the opportunity where poison there. Ever won't be play that shop. So after we me play that shop, we see the bar when a messy investigation when I go that's not down with all invite also the friends and they all feel like Hannah them bondage the opportunity where poison there out of envy. Because the feeling like if I got you why her. So instead of he will be only wear support on ya, however, more jealousy, envy, na obia drama, waiting their points we say about where we want.
Anyway, all the go you see the lesson they know most people that even though your greatest enemy might be the best friend they went. Onya hates no ya best friend again is your way. Only Kobonya the greatest enemy you went. Your mama in a man on my mom, oh my guy, or when no, he has my back. On your back, the Kipuki Kabiam, Yahweh himself, he is the only one who protects. He is the only one now on a very good day. So we must Yotago acknowledge the King of Kings and Lord of Lords. Nebuchagoduliano to announce Papa Chocho Impa Yotago no believe on get protected from even the due to an issue where on with a revelation age Abana lead Indiana. Now I got call the Napiano Potapana or Chopanimia Yotago. So we must stay in his guidance. Both must go for Yabako. Maneba Tazano to a wife in Akusa on food. Engage 1 or 2 West actually get you and wake up at a buy feel on in Akusa food right about it up. Yes, someone okay, Anna, but Madago, Afiabo, Madago, Uche, Madago. Sometimes only display some things, some Madada Hota. Sometimes will make sense, quite make sense. Melon and keep as well, don't do that child anyhow, or that you can call, so only it is some on a very good day. Mana Ianki Bazumelon Bona Enwelo Yotago Chokai kind of situation and all this so heated up and the thing got viral on social media because normally between Madanabo media personnel like Bo Uche Madagua and the singer Ama as Mehdi Yotago back in the day. So the thing and they said at some point Mehdi appears very heated up as he longs towards Uche Madago. However, Nessings could not help but comment on the fact that it could all be staged, especially given Uche Madago's reputation. Because now, as at the time the video put out, Madago Tobonana, Ijigo Sina, Akutubiana, Manono and Eba Neti, Nkuniteba Messia. You might go to a situation whereby a big Madonna on a very good day. Okay, or say, okay, Makani de Begumana. Just like Godum can quit if you think Akoko Otibaju. One of my gay way from Naka, he believe will not be staged, called all the rock. Malaji Madana, or not Salap Godum can quit. Anyway, who can I get it?
Well, one other here just a stage for just maybe when he had a no email. How I just talk at the yes, so I seek attention here to because of what Kage so look at them no worry how one is before all of a sudden they were just fighting and then showing it up just like that. So maybe Hana mother kindness and Akamalon
a lot of people yes no to case we look Jim Ike na Uche Madagwa with problem. Now Jim Ike Jebe you know I've said it. Come to my house and beat me. Jamaica say, I'm coming. So, Chukuma, if maybe you were put up whether Biana or not, sell up with your cat in Quebec. There are somebody feta, just so you quick back at Afo. Cafe Fairman. When I wonder if it's anywhere, a lot of things to talk about. But as a wife, feel on Hedina. The numbers you will call and then you become part of the conversation remains 070 34459334.
07045592210.
Yes, hear from you, right? Abaketa folk, hello. Nego dey ajide my brother. No, Okogo in future. No, sir. Hello, my brother. I'm gonna meet to local guy. I'm gonna make my brother.
Good morning, sir.
Nsogbu arụ ọ mesịa ka anyị malụ ka o si ga tile anyị ọnụ n'okwu gwa na ọha na eze ebe isi akpọ na ebe anyị gaba n'iru o. Yes. Yes. My brother. Thank you so much. Nsobaro. Oh, Dalo. Oh, thank you. Dalo. Let's hear from you right about kita folk. He will cool. Ni na ina pa makia. Hey, obu bekwa. 07034459334.
07045592210.
Hello. In the watch, nobody has it. No. Nsogbu adọkwa I pass up my brother. Okogo bata.
Good morning, sir.
No. Nsogbu arụ gaba n'iru o tile anyị ọnụ n'okwu. Yes. Yes. Just thank you so much for joining us this morning. Let's hear from you right about it. Hello.
Hello, sir. Good
morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
No. Gabaniruma, oh. Yes. Amen. Yes. Dalo, my sister. Oh, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Dalo. Yes, let's hear from you. Hello.
Hello, good morning. Good morning.